I'm going to be repairing a stone chip on my Polo GTI the most cost-effective way.
In this video, I'll do a step-by-step guide of what I did to fix this stone chip.
So step one, you're going to want to get yourself a base coat as well as the clear coat. The base coat is just the color of whatever the car is. In this case, mine is a pure white. The clear coat goes over that to protect as well as give it that shiny finish. It is vital that you go, in my case, I went to VW. Whoever your car manufacturer is, go to them because they'll take the VIN number from your engine, make sure they match it on the system and give you the exact color of your car. Step number two is obviously ensuring that the car is clean. I have done that, and this is where the exact stone chip is. So I'm just going to wipe it to make sure there's nothing left on the surface before I go ahead and paint. Then obviously making sure that this is dry before we go ahead, I'll just take this cotton cloth over the area and make sure it's as dry as possible. Now we're going to get started with painting. I just make sure you have some sort of paper cloth or something to wipe if we make a mistake. Here we go in with the base coat, the pure white, which matches my exact car. Shaking it just to make sure that all the paint is equal. Obviously the different oils, everything is ready to go. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and hopefully carefully apply the paint, just a drop to the spot, making sure it's as even as possible. One at the bottom I'm trying to get. That seems okay. We're gonna go ahead and let that dry for a little bit, but already stepping back, you cannot notice it, which is so cool. Now that the base coat is applied, we're gonna let it dry for a bit. Then I'll wipe it to try get it even with obviously the rest of the paint, and then we'll go ahead and pop on the clear coat. Now moving on to the clear coat. As I mentioned, this is a protective layer, so we put this over the area we've just painted. Hey, boy. Then for the last time, once we've done the clear coat, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it with the damp cloth just to make sure we get rid of any imperfections. And again, just go ahead and dry that.
And we're done. Here's a quick look at the finished product. You can see it's not perfect, but it definitely looks a million times better. Here's what it looked like before, very obvious, obviously on the surface. Here's the after, not perfect, but if you step back, it looks amazing.
I hope this video is helpful to you. It's by no means flawless, but when you step back, it's amazing to see no more stone chips. If you give it a try, let me know down below.